Model, 2000 Volkswagen 1200 2.5 TDI long wheelbase, camper day van NEDS clutch cylinder body, green, camper mileage, 216,063 engine, 2459 cc E2 GAF HDP transmission, 5-speed manual, mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. It needs clutch cylinder, pedal is on the floor, simple straightforward repair. Grin condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, the engine on the sound brilliant, and it's not a bad camper conversion either, definitely worth putting right. Grin HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.